Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add navigation menu in your WordPress page or post with Elementor plugin. So I log into my WordPress and here I have Elementor Pro in here, and I wish to edit one of the page. Okay, so let's go with sample page, edit with Elementor. So right click on that link, open a new tab. That should open your editor. Okay, now here you have to go to Pro Widgets, choose Nav Menu Widget and drop it on screen. And here you can see it will make use of default menu items. You can add different menu if you want by going to your menu section. Here you can choose your pages or even tags or even posts, custom links, categories, and save your menu. And then you can come here and select the menu from the list. You can align left, right, okay, like this, center, or you can stretch it. Okay, you can use underline, overline, or you can have fade slide animation. So let's say underline, and here you see the animation changes for menu. Okay, you can also adjust the setting based on screen size and make it full width. Okay, now finally save your menu and preview the changes. Here you see your menu items that look something like this. So you get the idea how to use Elementor to add your navigation menu with widget on WordPress page or post.